It is time to go back to our good old school days and answer this question. I believe each one of us would have definitely come across some problem like this before. If in a certain code language, YouTube is coded as something like this, then how Udemy would be coded in the same code language? We know that English alphabet consists of 26 characters from A to Z. We can easily notice here that YouTube has been coded into coded text by shifting the alphabets by +1. So Y becomes Z, O becomes P, U takes the position of V, and on similar lines T, U and B takes the position of next alphabet character, and in the end E takes the position F by shifting +1. Using the same logic as mentioned just now, Udemy can be coded as V, E, F, N, Z. Congratulations guys, you have just solved the encryption challenge without even realizing it. If I have to draw a simple analogy between cryptography and the above challenge, then it would be something like this. Udemy here is plain text which is in readable form. Once it is coded using shifting method, the resulting coded text will be known as ciphertext or encrypted text. Shifting method or rotate is cipher or algorithm. The numerical 1 in this case is the key which is required by the algorithm to function and is an extremely important factor. So, knowing the coding of one word could help you with the decoding of another. If you have the secret information which is known as key, let's solve this problem now. If Udemy is the plain text corresponding to the ciphertext V, E, F and Z, then what plain text was coded in the ciphertext HPP HMF? You already have the secret information, that is key, which is numerical 1 in this case. Applying the shift logic in the reverse direction by 1 will give you the resulting plain text Google. So we can say that Google was the plain text corresponding to the ciphertext HPP HMF. The learning point here is that if you know the key, which is secret information, you can always code the plain text into ciphertext and ciphertext back to the plain text. I can take this opportunity to define the term encryption and decryption without going much into technical details. Encryption is the process of changing the plain text data from a readable format to a form which is unclear and looks gibberish on the face, and is readable only by those who has some secret information, which is key. Decryption is the process of changing the ciphertext which is unreadable back into plain text which is readable. With this, we have reached the end of this video in which we learned shifting operation, which is widely used in cryptography along with other operations which we will see in next videos. Thank you.